Hello, everyone. What is this? Hostess donuts? Crunch mini donuts? All right. Hostess donuts. Crunch mini donuts. All right. We're going to try these, y'all. More joy in every bite. Okay. Looks like some really good donuts. Smells good. Put in the bag. First donut. Whiff test. Smells like a good donut. Here's to you. Here's to everybody. Love you, babe. Here's to you. Satisfyingly soft. A bit of a crunch, as expected in the name. I like it. Very good. It's light, kind of airy, soft, and a bit of a crunch. Very satisfying to the taste and myself. I like them. Sweet, not too sweet. And like I say, a bit of a crunch. Gotta have another one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, y'all. When you got a hard time, yeah. But not with these. Highly recommended. I